Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you Midjourney new pan feature. Okay, first things first, I'll type in /imagine to start a prompt. My prompt will then create a black cat under the sea in 8K resolution. You can use a similar prompt if you want to or anything that you want to add. Now, I'll generate the image and show you how to pan. As usual, I have 4 different images to choose from. I'll just select one and upscale it using the U2 option to increase the resolution. Now, I can pan left, right, up, and down. If I pan right, it will fill in what's missing on the right side of the image. Panning left will then reveal what's beyond the opposite side. If I'll pan right to show you, you can do this multiple times in the same direction. After panning, I'll just upscale one of these images again using U2. And now I can pan left and then right again. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. Now you know the Midjourney new pan feature. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.